Welcome to the Sava Technology Uptake Platform. On the homepage, you'll find a brief description of the platform, a showcase of recently published assets, and an overview of our current projects. Scroll through to explore what's available. To get started, click the Register button. In Step 1, fill in your contact information. Enter your full name, email address, create and confirm your password, add your job title and contact phone number. All fields are mandatory. In Step 2, complete your company profile. Provide your company name, select your industry, choose your country and year established. Indicate the number of employees, city, annual revenue range, and number of offices or branches. Select your goals for using the platform and optionally list notable partnerships or clients. Complete the reCAPTCHA and confirm you accept the terms of service and privacy policy. We recommend reading both before proceeding. You're now registered and ready to explore the Sava platform. Thank you for joining. We wish you happy projects.